Silver isn't just a shiny collectible. It's a crucial resource for modern technology, medicine, and energy. Understanding its industrial demand can reveal why it's more than just an investment. Silver has always been valued for more than just coins or jewelry. Its remarkable conductivity and versatility make it essential in electronics, medical devices, automobiles, and renewable energy technology. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that this industrial demand isn't just a side note. It helps support silver's long-term value. Investors who understand these real-world drivers can see why silver can play a strategic role in a diversified retirement portfolio. By combining its historical investment appeal with growing industrial uses, silver offers both stability and growth potential. You're not just buying a metal, you're investing in a resource that remains critical to industries worldwide. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Silver Scheme Report and Company Integrity Checklist, all designed to give you a clear, practical perspective before making any investment decisions. I've linked this guide in the description. If you want to see how silver's industrial demand could influence your retirement strategy, you can download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's easy to understand and helps you see how metals fit into a balanced portfolio. You can find the link in the description.